Mustang is leaking. Oh man, guys, what is going on today? D Creator here, back with another video, and we are back in the 1998 Mach 1. If you've seen it in my last video, ValvoMax sent me out a drain plug, and it's a special type of drain plug that drains the oil into a bag, so it's a zero mesh solution. My question is, what happens if you push the car to its limits? Will it leak? Will it pop out? Will it explode? But that's what we're doing today. We're checking it out and seeing if it can hold up to the torture test. I miss driving this car like this. Oh, the exhaust. Man, miles per gallon. Oh yeah, I'm using all the miles per gallon. Tell you what, I love my Fox body, but this car is just fun to drive. It is just a straight shot all the time. No crazy, weird Mustang hitting crowd scenario. None of that. No offense to the Fox body, but this is, it's because it's a V8. Right now I'm heading back to the house and we're gonna check and see if that drain plug is leaking, because I'm curious. Because if this holds up, I'm gonna have to get one for the Fox body for the 5.0 engine once I swap it into there. I'll see you at the house. Now we're back at the house. I don't know why I parked the car like this, honestly. It's gonna be hard for me to get the drain plug because of how low it is. But let me at least get down here and see how we looking. Well, it doesn't look like it's leaking, so that's a good sign. I probably need to go ahead and back it up into the garage and lift it up just to see. To talk about something before we get into the drain plug. The tube, I was actually using it wrong. So you know, I was making a comment about how this doesn't lock down. It actually does. I just was not using it right. You're supposed to push down and turn it counterclockwise and it will sit in there. As you can see, you push it down, turn it counterclockwise, and it locks just like that. It was just user error. That's all it was. My bad. I should have read the instructions, but you know, men, we don't read instructions. All right, like I said before, the drain plug itself, or the cap, is not leaking. So that's good. Just need to take this off. And it's not hot, by the way, so that's good as well. Oh, would you look at that? No drips at all. There is some residue, probably from the last time I changed the oil. I didn't really clean it up. I just kind of wiped it. There's a dry spot in the middle, so I'm assuming it's just the residue. It didn't like pour out or shoot out or anything like that. And just like that, it's back on and you're ready to go. Now I'm curious to see what's going to happen on my daily driver, which is my 2015 F-150. Now this truck right here, it pulls my Mustangs to car shows, to drift events, to whatever. I drive it every single day, so it's my daily driver, work truck, all types of stuff. So that truck is used way more than my 1998 Mach 1. But I will say this, draining the oil in that truck if I drain it into the little splash pan, I'm not gonna lie, oil splash up everywhere. When it hits the drain pan, it kind of hit it with a lot of pressure and splashes out. So with that draining into a bag, I don't think I have any problems with it. I'm gonna have to get one for the F-150, definitely. Thank you ValvoMax for sending out these products for me. It's really helpful, especially for a guy like me. It makes the job a lot easier. If you haven't already, check out the last video of me actually installing this oil change drain system. Thank you for watching. Have a blessed day. See you in the next one.